there are buyers of businesses coming in the door,
Wow.
right? So with the accounting profession, and there's a couple different professions that are also experiencing this too as well. Like the pilot aviation industry, they're experiencing this with pilots, right? A lot of pilots are retiring, but there aren't enough new pilots coming into the door. In CPAs, there's a lot of CPAs retiring, but there aren't enough new CPAs coming into the door. And then people, I think the other thing too with CPAs is that the interest level is decreasing too as well. Oh, it's a high shortage in accounting. So it's even a better time to go into the accounting industry because it's a very high shortage.
Question, is that because a lot of them are retiring?
Yeah, a lot of them are retiring. People call it a silver tsunami. So a lot of accountants already. Yeah, well, the silver tsunami is the concept of there are the boomer generation or so. Their population is larger than the millennial, and who are they behind us? Gen X or Gen Z?
Gen Z, yeah.
Okay, I don't pay attention to all that. But the generation behind us, right? So now that creates a problem, right? Because we don't have enough accountants in the U.S. How do we solve that? Offshoring some of that stuff, right? But a lot of smaller firms don't do offshoring. Number one, because you don't know what the security risk is. So somebody, has to come up with a solution that addresses security, that addresses being able to, bridge that gap with the language barriers or way of working and things of that sort. And a lot of smaller firms are hesitant with doing that. Now, the large global firms, they already do that, right? So I've always worked with folks all across the globe, like in India or Nigeria or the UK or France. I literally have worked with people in all different types of time zones, Japan, etc. And, India is a huge hub for outsourcing, but there are, closer countries with outsourcing.
Your car with the best fresh ever. Febreze Car fills your ride with sensational scents that will blow your mind. Plus, it stays fresh for over a month. Find your Febreze Car.
But the point I'm trying to make here is AI won't replace you, but I do think that the people who are more technology savvy will replace you in your job market, right? So, we use technology a lot so that we can do things faster, right? So, yeah, I definitely think AI is gonna, the person who can use AI or technology is gonna replace you, right? Because they're gonna be able to, do things faster, make more money. Making more money means that they're going to be able to invest more into their business too as well at the end of the day, right? And just continue to grow it faster too as well and just knock you out the water when it really comes down to it.
AI can't match human skills. CPAs' roles remain crucial in the tech-driven future.
Future CPAs are going, considering that AI is on the heels of all our jobs.
Yeah, I don't think AI is going to replace our jobs because ChatGPT can't do math at the third grade level. So no, it really can't. I use ChatGPT a lot actually, and anything mathematical, I have to ask it to redo it. And these are basic things, like it can't do basic multiplication.
You were beating ChatGPT in math?
Huh?
You were beating ChatGPT in math?
It's a third grader though.
that what people want. So with that being said, where do you feel like the future CPAs are going, considering that AI is on the heels of all our jobs?
Yeah, I don't think AI is going to replace our jobs because ChatGPT can't do math at the third grade level. So no, it really can't. I use ChatGPT a lot actually, and anything mathematical, I have to ask it to redo it. And these are basic things, like it can't do basic multiplication.
You were beating ChatGPT in math?
Huh?
You were beating ChatGPT in
math? It's a third grader though.